Hi, Nicole here, and welcome to another video. Today's video is all about the Edelkrone slider here. This is the SliderPLUS V5 Pro Long and it has the flex tilt head 2 attached to the top. Now, this video is for all of you thinking about getting a slider, starting your research on sliders, and you will find there's a huge spectrum from low end to high end. Now, first, this video is not sponsored by this brand. I did my research and purchased this myself, and I wanted to review it for you today if you are thinking about investing in this type of slider. Okay, here we go. All right, so I have been a brand photographer for over 10 years now. And a couple years back, I really started getting more into video, and I've been slowly building up my kit. And I really wanted a slider, and so I started my research and landed here. Now, a couple points that really got my attention was the quality of the construction. You're gonna see there's a huge swing in quality when you start looking into sliders with pricing, etc. Also, I love that it was compact and I could gain, so when I run this, I can gain all this extra area of capturing video in such a small footprint. So that really got my attention. The third thing that I love was that I can start with this base setup and add on. So as you can see, I don't have the motor and I don't have the steady piece either. So I just wanted to start with the basics, provide this video for you to see what's capable with just starting out with two pieces and build from there. Okay, I also purchased the flex tilt, and this was just to provide some additional angles for creativity's sake, to give myself some more options than just going from side to side, front to back, back to front. All right, so I decided to take this to an on-location shoot for my client to test it out, and I wanted to provide you some footage of really what you can obtain from just the basics to see what's possible. I hope you enjoy this. I really wanted to show how easy it was to set up. I grabbed some footage to show you here, side to side, then back to front, and I really had so much fun. I have always wanted to purchase the best value that I can at the time. I really want to invest in quality. I want to make sure my gear is safe, that I'm applying to the piece of equipment, and I don't want to have to replace the gear in the near future. So that's really why I wanted to invest in this equipment and know that I have it for the long term and not have to worry once my gear is on there. I'm really happy with this purchase thus far. I hope to add more videos here as I add on, hopefully, to this kit, but I'll outline everything below that I'm using. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll see you next time. Bye.